Hey guys, it's Will here. I'm gonna dig up some potatoes that are in this little pile here. It's behind the zucchini plants and also this beautiful squash plant. And so let's see if we got any potatoes here. Hopefully I can show you as I dig this up here. Make sure I can get the angle here. Like that. Okay, so I had some in these bags. I'm just going to fill up, hopefully put some potatoes in this bag and let them cure for a little while. So it's kind of fun. You get to dig in here and see what's going on. So these are potatoes. These are red. So we just move it around. This plant died off here. So dry. Kind of stuff here. It's a big one. So I let these, just leave them dirty for a week or something. I don't really need to cure them, but you can just eat them if you want, but makes the skin toughen a bit. And put it in a cool, dark place. Just gonna move over here a bit. Sometimes you find some the next year if you miss, because you don't necessarily get them all. So I wait till the plants die off, and about 2 weeks they go brown, and then I somewhere around there. I wasn't in a hurry because I have potatoes, you know, in the house, so I didn't really need anything. But here's some more. Might end up. Ooh, these are big ones. Look at these ones. Nice. Just going to show you the potatoes here. Just going to go in the bag and show you the red. This time I got red. I was trying to get yellow flesh. They didn't have any. So, liking that. Hope you guys like that. Talk to you later.